How can you make a woman love you more?
If you want a girl to really love you, first of all, you have to make her know her place.
Yeah.
You must compliment a lady.
Mhm.
Even if she doesn't dress well, you have to tell her that you are beautiful. Public, you must appreciate her. Make special days extremely special.
Sex is enough to make her love you more.
Whether you guys are having sex or not, your relationship can still grow.
Do you know there are some women that if you don't give them head, yeah.
You don't have to base your relationship on sex, but sex is also important.
Welcome to today's episode. Today we still have the beautiful queen. You don't decide say no. This time around, it will be with us back to back. I hope so you don't take your chair because this one today it will hot, especially for the men them. Welcome again, queen.
Thank you.
How?
No, I'm good. And you?
I'm good. How can you make a woman love you more? What can you do? What are those techniques? What are those things that you must do this to make a woman really get into you? Like she will not have that thought of like going somewhere. Yeah.
There are so many things to do.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many things to do.
Like,
but doing those things,
yeah.
First of all, doing those things doesn't guarantee you that that lady will not look outside.
Also, yeah.
It all depends on their intentions in that relationship.
Yeah.
So if you want a girl to really love you, first of all, you have to make her know her place.
Okay, that's very important.
So you cannot be with a girl 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. She's just there. She doesn't know, like, what are the plans in the nearest future?
No plan at all.
You don't even say anything. But you expect the girl to still be loving you the same way when you guys met. That's not possible. You have to make her know that maybe you tell her, in 2 years, we are going to get married. When things happen, we are going to do this. Okay, in 1 year, I'll go and see your family. In 2 years, I will do this. Let her know her place.
Okay.
First, and another thing, you have to make her know, in fact, despite anything, she is beautiful.
Yeah.
You must compliment a lady.
You must always
compliment a lady.
So.
Even if, let's take if she's outside, even if she doesn't dress well, you have to tell her that you are beautiful. Then when you go back home, you tell her, babe, you see, that your outfit, you messed up.
Yeah.
You messed up.
You must appreciate her publicly.
You must appreciate her. You tell her, and they say when you tell a lady, you messed up, that she will really know that actually what I did, maybe I would have worn this dress with this one. Maybe that's why he feels like you change. But you will not just they are everywhere and say, I know you like me. I know you like. No. It doesn't happen that way.
The manner in which you
talk to her. You know, women, the way women reason, it's different from the way men reason. So you don't have to like talk to her in the way you are talking to a man. You have to be in her shoes. Like they say, be in her shoes.
Yeah.
So you have to compliment her publicly. At home, even if she's getting fat, you just say, don't worry. Because, like for us, when women give birth, your body will obviously change. So when you're changing, the lady might feel emotionally down. Oh, I'm getting fat. Is my husband going to go out? Or I'm getting fat. Is my boyfriend going to look for another slimmer lady? Oh, look at stretch marks are all over my stomach. Is my husband going to abandon me?
Yeah.
You make her know that you loved her for her. Not for any addition that comes, or not the fact that she's having kids, that's why you're loving her. No, you love her. Despite those things, despite those flaws, you still love her. Make her know. You don't keep it like, if I do this, she'll know that I love her. If I just do this, she'll know that I love her. But you're not saying it. You're not saying it verbally.
Yeah.
Babe, I love you. I love you.
Every day.
Every day, if that's what it takes. Every day.
Tell her that you love her every day.
If that's what it takes for her to be with you, you tell her, I love you. If you love her, you tell her you love her. It's just like you tell your mom, Mom, I love you. I love you. Your mom tells you, I love you. If that love is still there, you always verbalize it. You should always verbalize it. So I said, you compliment her. You make her know her place.
Yes.
You should always tell her you love her.
You should always, in fact, pronounce that word that I love you every day, morning, afternoon, evening. You have to tell your wife or your girlfriend that you love her.
And make special days extremely special.
Yeah, special days like?
There's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day?
Yes.
So.
But what? Oh my goodness.
Valentine's Day.
That day is meant for the lovers.
You must take her out.
Even if not take her out, make her feel special. There are flowers. There are cards. If you cannot afford the flower, you at least a handwritten card. Use your own hand. Use your thoughts, your emotion. Pour it down into writing. Babe, the way from the first day I met you till today, my heart has not changed.
Yes.
My love for you is unchangeable. It's unbreakable.
Yeah.
Let her feel like this man will be there for me. Yes. Like, okay, Valentine's Day, your anniversary, you take her out. Yes. Even just for a simple dinner at home, a simple dinner outside. Just light some few candles, keep in the house. If you have the finance though,
yeah,
it also depends on the finance. You buy her, make her feel like this man really has kept me in a position that I know, my future is with him. We are together. Jusqu'à la gare.
Yes, jusqu'à la gare.
That's it.
It means up to the end.
That's it. But even like I said from the beginning, doing all these things doesn't really give you that 100% guarantee that you guys are going to be there. But in life, you have to take the risk.
You have to take.
You have to keep trying. You make her. You tell her, babe, I love you. Babe, you're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Another thing, buying her gifts.
Buying her gift.
Women like hair.
You buy hairs.
Women like hair. Women like bags.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. And with hair and bags, you have to show someone. You need a phone.
You need a phone. A good
That's
phone.
it.
Women like good phones.
Women like pictures.
Pictures.
Women like pictures. And after that picture, I'll bring, posting. Some people might anyway, this one will depend on your preferences.
Always post her.
People, it depends on you. There's some people like, oh, my life, I don't want to bring it on social media. Some people be like, oh, okay, everything I have, I'm going to show the world.
Yes.
A lady might take it in two different ways. If you don't post her, is it that he's having someone else?
Yeah, that's
Is it that he's ashamed of me? Is it I'm not beautiful enough that he can post me? Some girls have that mentality. Some, it's normal. It's normal that, I've been living with this guy, but his status on WhatsApp has never been me. His profile picture has never been me. Yeah. Nothing. Is it that
he's hiding something?
He's hiding something, or he doesn't want to show me to the world?
That's it.
Men will come and say, I know you are beautiful. I don't want to take, I don't want to take you and put you in the world where there are a lot of dangerous things.
The dangerous things, yeah.
So you have to make her know that if I'm not putting you outside, it's because I don't want other people to even see you.
That's true.
If you're not saying those things, you bring thoughts in her mind.
Yeah.
And when those thoughts start coming, it starts manifesting. You see her attitude starts changing. Maybe she'll be like, okay, if I used to hug this guy and he doesn't even do anything, let me just stay like that.
Let me stay like that.
Because am I going anywhere? I should not be doing wife duties when I'm still girlfriend now.
Yeah.
He's not posting me. It means maybe he doesn't love me that much. People say that. So it depends. So if you are not doing anything, tell her, baby, I'm not posting you because of this.
Of that reason, yeah.
Yes. And baby, if you're posting, please, don't overshow.
Don't overshow. Yeah. Do you think sex is enough to make her love you more?
It's not. For me, sex is just a bonus.
A bonus?
Yes. It's just a bonus because, why I say so? If you love a lady, whether you guys are having sex or not, your relationship can still grow.
Yes.
There's a 50% probability that it can still grow.
Yeah, without sex.
Without sex. Because obviously you guys started your relationship without sex.
I'm talking about good sex, not just normal sex.
Good or bad, it's still a bonus.
It's a bonus.
It's still a bonus. Because after that sex, it's just a period of, let's say, maximum, it depends on the lady, maximum 20 minutes, and you are back to normal. So it means if you want to continue, if that love, the sex is increasing the love, that means you surely break her back.
Yes,
every day to increase the love, every day. The sex should just be a bonus. If the sex, first of all, sex is just like a bond. You're sharing yourself, like sharing bond with your partner.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that without this sex, the relationship cannot move forward.
Mm-hmm.
You can still live without sex. Okay, what if in a case where maybe she gets sick, and you maybe she's bedridden for maybe 1 month, 2 months, and you guys cannot have sex during that period? What happens to the love? Does it just die? You don't have to base your relationship on sex, but sex is also important.
Yeah, then talking about giving head, there are some women that if you don't give them head, when I talk about giving head, you understand?
I don't understand.
Yeah, yeah. So when we talk about giving head, some women say, oh, my man does not do this to me. My man do not give me head. I don't know if he really loves me and the rest. So do you think giving head will like increase the chance for the woman to really get into you or to love you more?
For me, I don't really believe so. It's my own thought anyway.
Yeah.
There are some people, even if you hit them 10 times a day, at the tail end, they still leave you.
I'm talking about giving head to...
Even if you do that, there are some people that will still leave you.
They'll still leave you.
So it's just, in fact, everything in life is just to try. It's just to take risk. You don't know. Okay, you can say, okay, let me be giving her head. Let me be giving her. Let me be doing this. I'm sure if I do this, that she's going to stay with me. That's a full guarantee that she's going to stay with me. But at the tail end, what happens? She still abandons you for someone else. You might be giving her 80%. When she I'm really tired of this 80% now. When will it increase to 90? When will it increase to 90? The moment she just goes out and then somebody gives her even 85, bang, she's gone. So no matter what you do, you just have to keep trying. Share your love, make it verbal, talk to her. You guys, in fact, be friends. Because it's not just like you are my husband, you're my wife. We are friends. We can talk. Like we can have a conversation. Oh, this is how my day passed, and how did yours pass? And this, you share your thoughts. You say, okay, babe, for the past 1 week, our relationship has been this way. I want us to, do this in order to make things better. Those are the things. Not like, you must give head. We must knock. We must go. We must do this every day. No, all those things, they are just.
Yeah, so man, I hope una the grab. Now, my last question to you is there anything that you can do that can make your woman start loving you less, or like?
There are so many things.
Like?
Let's take, for example, keeping secrets.
Keeping secrets.
Yeah. Keeping secrets is one of them. You also have not verbalizing your love, not appreciating her.
Not appreciating her.
Yeah. Appreciation is really, really necessary. Even in daily activities, it's a woman's job to cook food, but when she cooks it, you have to appreciate it. Okay. Babe, thank you for the food.
Appreciate her food.
Even not just her food, appreciate her for everything. It might be a lady's duty to iron your clothes, but for her to do it, oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Because some people might, it's not my clothes. You can iron it. But she takes her time. She's taking that responsibility.
Some men do impose that you are my wife, you're supposed to do this.
No.
It's your duty to iron my dress. It's your duty to give me food. It's your duty to wash my dress.
It is my duty, but you have to appreciate me. When you go to the bank to withdraw money, after they have given you the money, even within the process, you have to say thank you.
Yes, even though it's your money.
Even though it's your money. Because if they say they're not giving you, they'll not give you. So you have to appreciate. If she gives you food, even if it's her duty, babe, thank you. Oh, babe, the house is clean today. Thank you. You're doing a good job.
Yeah, appreciation.
Appreciation.
That one is important.
Respect is also important. If you want me to talk to you in a way, you also have to talk to me in a way. Respect me. If maybe you see in front of our kids, you just talk to me anyhow, then you expect that in front of our kids, we should just be, I should just lay low on the floor. No. Yeah. You have to treat me the way you want me to also treat you.